so kabri atara ko nyoko ndimma tandanda ngata lamma sake jube alla dindi mansa ngai okay ndara danda kabri ndara danda ayaja me jube kabri santo fo duma ko nyoko ndimma ngasay e ngai munekata ko nyoko nyimbe kula la gambe dingol kan wala be garaw ka tamba be ngai abe kula lan ka dadi mo me alon ka be do ko la be ya poto do kan afela abe silo do kan ya akonyo ko nyi fita kunungo na ko menyi yi sojaro jube kabri ya jeme na fam fam mi fi bande nat menu ka foko arrière finjang baba ya finjang ne ba finjang ya jeme taga ya kuma kabri wala ya jeme taga ya tar kabri wala na dol fongo je bi wolu e fanke politician body odumo ya jeme ko be landile akema bar bi olu ke fanke comme itel bi ya jeme ne man do kuke ngol be lonne e kono ban so jaje men ran akay jagle demandin comme arabul kamen ko fi yibun khalidu famun kasira ayake wala nyama demande ban lama fo a gabita mol bulu lama bidum ala dande dama yaje me bondi ko fadara ndal nga yaje me bondi ndal nga yaje me bay carte kesol la bari kidi kesol yaje me bondige nyin kedan dal fa ngulu malu koti ko man ngol kam men fay ko ni baye dindi ngo ki wulo nyala wulo fata malolan kad na rande lañ ta pala pa sojarol de fon il ko jarde pour kanaba il ko be farina banko kono tap il ko bongola na nyim banko kono ye sunguro men kono manda sembo warta ngam rawlen del sula na ramal sa kedo faran soto o faran gena mol biru bidati na ko do soto dra ka kunule comme yalla mi bida na es ayo madron akala dula kelna bu kawuli na janno sajo man kono to abukata dula akalar ne na sajo man te kungo men kono akatra ro te kungo kono akatra bitri de fo sajo kumu no sajo kumu ndawad men bo dala kono don wado ma ina ten dang ay tan saji do fala de woron del fana man sakke ben del bulo nyimman sakke men na ten men gara ana barota kan del fana bur bidale na da taman wala ni ko do men diara kana ay la stada house fara ay demo ay la tek bidon ay wuli ata wulla abe derne tek isi ko be fa be der bar no ko do banda dron isalanga abe wulla ko tek analo captain ko bidu ni men di amda aya nyaayelo kan anya kutuba yelo kan ni men di amda nyaayelo kan yo bidun mbetenne ha pemandra bo jeto ko ite be lungolo ite be kumbo ko yaje men de la ko do beta yasuna so men yaje men ma ko pour ka ko do foto ite wol ke la do ku nyat so adik jo so nyeme ko mol be hospital amgo at itolemre comme mol stupitale ado borka fal bolé di gambe di wonna aka foko atalem atra fa bu kan ada borko wolke aka fal bolé di gambe di wonna aka foko atalem atra fa bu kan ite de conférence ka foko hanna fo ma président amam fentu boje dokon yes but amam fentu boje dokon ite comme ça une quoi lodi muna ne comme ça une quoi lodi why ay wolodi munala am dem baro ite la comme ça une quoi man nafa soto kat men yaaje men ma koy pour ko do funya men yaaje men ma koy ka gambe dingol tilimbadia ite ko bol lek nakindi le fanna ino le nyanda ka do ko ke pour oli fanan fi ma koy e fanna gambe dingol kasara ka nyame do oto ni gambe dingol kasara oto yaaje tele iko ni ngabla kono noma yaaje dingol ko ngabla kono noma yaaje tinyaldo so gambe dingol altal nyanta ka kunim politiko konal nyanda ni self interest blalal nyim place ba katango anken ngoto mabe inspecteur général ngoto mabe commandant alla ole ka dia gambe dingoli so fongo kusi palta ka landi karala ni mo landi karala dron pormol be kere ni mo landi karala dron pormol ke ani duko ni kusi pale gambe tia one ka fogo ndeko ha nyanda tala gambe nyanda ngande fonde tour ndega na gambe moy fambulo kan mol kan ne wanta because kufula ndega ta kabroto wala te ta kabroto wala ngata mayla tu ba nga moy kay mayla tu kay ayje ikaje de demande bari tenne mu de ya jamme ñine de garawla katam ya jamme almanillo ñine na garawla katam ya jamme ka mo faale ñi mu ka mo faaka de ñi ka high blood le bula mo la high blood ñi franga high blood de mo bula mo la ni mo high blood yo ni na ko wala high blood ila temperature be la ka ni mo wala ñaadu ngol mo yiti Musa Siso yo kulubariya menke ñi banko kon Musa Siso yo tilimbariya menke ñi banko kon ite no tay ko fuko iman amata wala o jo apprendre te duna ala ta da duna nyama wa fola du ndiye nyamoka yalo ite smart ita alo ne buka borino ala buka borino ita hani 3 meter do ni o tama de kata ni jira yamere ko mo ni bol ite mam borono ite ke ba fankala smart coat bo me nga ya jenne wato mu sojar ko dole ma ite be nyamante ten jeni ba fa 5 years tek ite han dum na pleno fankono yo fo kufra fo ni suto mano bla nde ka wala fo gambe dingol nyinga aka fali bole di mola ka foko atayal mata atante lungolu tebe kumbole ka foko yadde men ko do beta so men yadde men ma ko sunyaro la men yadde men la sembenti yan ite wol leta yo kanandi fan pour yede fana sembendi pour fana ji ko do sunyano nyameto nim fa fala diamo ko na ko eko courant men na solani ngamre eko sa muneke atado samba min do manka manguna fa wando courant samba manka manguna aw courant samba manka manguna le eko e men na de gambe dingol so mo jelle ka te gandol bir ka mama fa wado fele hani farado fa courant fa wado courant ka tata hani farado ma lumu kendo so sa ko abe jambur ni ton ko silo de ya be jambur ni o silo de man ko de ko ran babulu jambur lo dulato kabra man ke man sa ke mar fo ko talu le babulu jambur lo ma fa wado ken ko me babulu ngabra yala ba lo do ko la stade do ko aba kan har kan nyamela ga ite gambe dum intimidation so yudi pe gol fanan bi dum wol be wuro do ibe nyo kaja fila do ha ibe nyo kaja fika ba yalo ni ko nyino ma ko ba fala ne to fana e xero kanya yudi nyayo ni be nyi jarabo men ko yudi pilam kadu kabri yudi pingol fanan ye do man i bula place da do tay to ni na ila mo ko tolla say wolle ke fadi ngot ngole nyi ko be na ta turka fembe mo yudi pidisto ni siba kabri e stato e ke ta do ko la do to lemre ko mi to la londo di la keke ne alo place o di la say to ni na ni me kelo ke ni do la hanni wol yo konti bi ke jadi ngole yudi pi fanan tinki tankat wala yudi pi fanan tinki tankat ni ko nyine makko e ba fala ne to fana sero kanya periode na le tempo adam bare albe fam fala yudi pi fanan ha na le tempo adam bare albe fam fala yudi pi kadu nunto ya je ba tan fula tam yudi pi mu united democracy mo be famu yudi pi pari kabrin adam bare stade ka yudi pi ngol ta place o dron ni men kon do ka ko 5 minutes be ko la bu ke ko kotek i be la telephone fa ga kabri alon ka adam baro murti da say lafta ka adam baro senge alon ka adam baro be nyamendo say ala tawle na ila lafta ka muru ila mo kotol ka ndew e be la fingi de la direct lo ko signa client te plangal de dado de kana life wa afoko ka fu gambe boko abata de ngolo fo ala baro na sa bondi do ala bondi carte ke so ni men ta bondi la yede ay tem ku yekki.
Assalamu alaikum, good evening listeners, viewers, Facebook Live. It's me, Suleiman Suare, coming on you to Facebook Live to condemn the human rights abuse to Dr. Cisse and to stand solidarity with Dr. Cisse and to stand up to defend the democracy we fought for. Dr. Cisse, as any other person living in the Gambia, not only Gambian citizens, have the right to freedom of speech, have the right to freedom of conscience, have the right for freedom of thought. Especially being a scholar, Dr. Cisse is standing for and doing a patriotic duty. So something started, we have to stop it. Dr. Cisse committed an offense. Just to remind the people, new one, then you have 72 hours or whatsoever. The law never upon you abuse the law. That's a law, but doesn't mean that we should abuse it. For I'm reason to suspect someone, for I'm reason to arrest someone. Lungis or Lung refer to in that interview, in a democracy, giving Ben reason, Lanata knew what arrest ko for that. There's no suspicion on that. To being the person and being the profession, being the person he is, background, background, why would you arrest a scholar for having a view on topic bo xamne speciality am? Su nekkee ne dañoo police suñ scholars of St. Todd, then where is the freedom? Dr. Sisi should be released, should not have even been arrested, should not have even been invited. There amul anything loo xam ne warrant not that arrest. Stand in solidarity with him and condemn that arrest. And to advocate and highlight it's a human right abuse. And ñu fàttali ne it's not what we fought for. We fought for democracy. Su nekkee ne borom xam-xam yi respect wuñ leen, kan nañ mën a respect ci réew mi? Kan nañ respect ci réew mi? Su nekkee ne borom xam-xam yi duñ leen respect, kan nañ respect ci réew mi? A day before, what happened? The same government then appoint a convicted drug dealer, a criminal, as a presidential youth advisor. The next day, that same government then arrest a scholar, a political scientist, for what totem? Then what country do we have? What have we fought for? So one day we appoint a convicted criminal, and not only a common criminal, ko xamne la fa jël trust of his people ñu ko elect dugal ko ci parlement bi mu dem jël that privilege di ko abuse to enrich himself. Kooku la ñoo jël tey di ko def political the presidential advisor. The next day a young Gambian could have everything to achieve a doctorate, to return home, to just service for Nitami. That person you can arrest for a statement. Last time you arrest for the authority, the government have to address that. This thing should not go quietly. Then you want to get to the bottom of it. Last time you arrest for, he should be addressed. As I said, luñ ko accuse su nekkee ne da nga arrest nit ki of a crime, you have to suspect the person of committing a crime. Lan tax nga war a suspect someone of committing a crime, the circumstances have to show ne borom committing a crime. Foog ñu think of the history of that person, ñu hold the background of that person, ñu hold the motive of that person. Te suñ ko xoolee a university lecturer ko xamne every week mu ngi on TV di wax the same views or even more, but la tax tey of all day ñu ko arrest for saying giving a newspaper interview. Su nekkee ne newspaper interview, how many Gambians read the newspaper? Mu ngi dem on national TV di talk on a panel, say more than that. He was not arrested all these days. Why today? moo tax the Gambian fii taxaw di wax ne waa police yi am nañ right to arrest la, hold la for 72 hours. Amuñ right to arrest la, hold la for 72 hours. Dañ am right bi su nekkee ne am nañ reason to believe ne you are about to commit a crime or you have committed a crime. Nañ leen read law bi bu baax. You are about suspicion, you are about to commit a crime or suspiciousness of committing a crime. And one landmark in that article where a crime was committed. One landmark that article where a crime was committed. The authority, when you know, it's incompetence. Since incompetence, do you surprise? Because of Swin Toge, I'm president, but incompetent. I'm a whole cabinet, but incompetent. ñu jël bàyyi fa the same institutions yoo xam ne of government yoo xam ne ñoo doon def this is their culture kan la ñoo blame that incompetency might be true because dañu am that culture. Last week ñu jël a notorious human rights abuser ñu appoint ko out of all the staff yu ñu am at the police department dañ dem appoint koo xam ne the dictator took him for a special task force called Operation Bulldoze in a dictatorship muy dem di raid abuse people, money exchanges, premises owners, any other order buñ ko jox moo execute ko ñu ko ooyee bulldoze di dem daaneel property nit ñi. And all those victims that are amuñ redress, that is the person they appointed as the director of operations. Why are we surprised? Because of some incompetence, yes, and because of some criminals who have ñoo nekk ci armed forces bi, ñoo nekk ci police service, ñoo nekk ci all the services, in fact at the civil service. Everybody tey ñu ngi bëgg proof to Barrow ne they are loyal to Barrow. They are not even now loyal to Dabo. They are loyal to Barrow. This is the point. Léegi dañoo def everything to show their loyalty. Anybody could move, they will show they are loyal to Dabo. Barrow. They are not executing nekkuñ di def seen liggéey. They don't show some loyalty because that's what they know. That's the culture for 22 years. They have to show loyalty to the person that is at the State House, and whatever it takes. But let's consider something else. The third bit is intimidation. The third bit is intimidation. Su nekkee ne as a responsible services, police services, in a democracy, yow sax feel nga ne suspect nga ne borom commit na a crime by because of joxe na report. Yow mun ngaa toog nga xool report boobu nga read ko nga feel na suspect nga invite ko. Why do you need 3 services to investigate that matter? An article of ñaata words. One word more for incite violence. One word more for nekk national security threat. When you have criminals, when you have rebels traveling back to the country and going to their houses, ñu tëdd fa bisuwa. When you have criminals walking in and out of that country, duga di génne dem fu leen ne duñ leen arrest. What a scholar moom la ñoo dem arrest pour viol. Léegi arrest nga ko indi nga ko pour investigate. How long does it take to investigate to determine what questions would you ask and what answers you expect to have? Apart from Dylan, it's my view, and I stand by it. So nekkee na fa wrong, apologize, then charge him. Why does he need 72 hours to charge him? It's not a delicate case. It's not anything that, onto it. Why do you need 72 hours? No, it's intimidation. And who are they intimidating? They are not intimidating doctor, but they are trying to intimidate every Gambian. They are not trying to intimidate Dr. Sise. They are trying to intimidate every other Gambian. Another illegal, unconstitutional body. Why the intelligence police at the State House? Why do State House and have an intelligence station of police officers? Ñu toog ci panel and nekk part of the arresting of it. And National Security Service and police, why do they have to invest that much? When crimes have been committed everywhere, when there are real threats in that country, can halatu ko. Let us intimidate because it's for Barrow. It's not for the government. It's not for the state. It's to entrench Barrow. And l'union wax start na. You like the Minister of Communication. What are your achievements after a year? He cannot even say anything. Mune land human rights. Which, Bohamne, we fought for that. And you just go Barrow on a plate, and Barrow cannot maintain that. That's one thing he could have maintained, One thing. Barrow has not delivered anything. Like one thing lumbugo na own up lo xamne ñun ñoko jox pour mu maintain ko. We fought for that and give it to him on a plate to maintain it mënu ko maintain. Now, what is Barrow good for? Lan la Barrow good for? What is on that article? The headlines. The Sobugay gives an article. Look at the headline. What does the headline say? And ECOMOG is not a long-term solution? ECOMOG is not a long-term solution? Is that debatable? Is that l'union debate that ECOMOG is a long-term solution? The government is ECOMOG is a long-term solution? How can you expect to be a sovereign state? Now, I'm an intervention force. I expect that intervention to be a long-term solution. How can ECOMOG be a long-term solution? Are they going to arrest the ECOMOG commander who said that ECOMOG wasn't a long-term solution? The ECOMOG commander said interview. He said it. The ECOMOG commander said more than what Dr. Sise said. Are they going to arrest the ECOMOG commander? This is not about what Dr. Sise said. This is about what they want. They want to intimidate Gambians. And because they are at the consolidation period, and they want to turn that country to a dictatorship in order to rule that country the way they want to enrich themselves and their partners in crime in the private sector, the civil sector. Yes, those opinion leaders, same opinion leaders, those imams and other, council of elders, how you call them, the same people that entrench them. Yes, and that civil sector, that entrench for the past years, that the bottom of the civil sector, public sector that Yajame took from the bottom of the barrel, not the creme of the creme. The other part of the article, questioning the relationship with Barrow and the armed forces. And in fact, I even disagree with the scholar. Yes, there should be a relationship between the executive and the armed forces. But the armed forces is an independent institution. The lack of reforms to make sure that the institution is independent, to make sure that institution is professional, and make sure that that institution is sustainable. So I disagree with the scholar on that. But the scholar there should be a relationship. Yes, the executive should win the confidence of all the institutions, not only the institution of security. All the institutions, and what? Good governance. To be a commander-in-chief, you have to be a good person. You have to be competent. You have to be effective. To be a good head of state, you have to be strong. Strong in what sense? You have to be effective. I'm integrity. But you don't start to be corrupt and doing everything low buga, but then you can do it. Yeah, the second part, he didn't say anything. The scholar didn't say anything. Dr. Sise didn't say anything on the second part of it. Yes, ECOMOG is not a solution on the long term. To say that the president at relationship with army is a fact. Because of what we are over-relying on ECOMOG. That's the problem. And ECOMOG, that's not their role. They are there for a reason. Same mandate, government wanting to understand. ECOMOG is not there for stay forever. ECOMOG then make for stay temporal. That's why they renew their terms, the period all the time. And now, what's the offense there? To guarantee ECOMOG being the solution. The Gambian people are the solution. Even ECOMOG being in the Gambia is part of the solution, but it's not the solution. It's not absolutely solution to security. Good governance, more the absolute solution to security. Good governance, rule of law, more the absolute solution to security in any country. Anywhere for having democracy and for social justice and for you will not have peace. Where there are no freedoms there and they cannot be peace. And for peace, there's no stability. For stability, there's a conducive environment for people to thrive. And what's the offense in that? What's the offense in that statement? You have to govern right. And make sure the institutions you have, democracy, are independent, are professional. That in an institution we inherited from a dictatorship. An institution more than carry the brutality, more dugal the fear into Gambians. How can you not weed out all those criminals? How can you have an institution of security, of armed forces, of 10,000 you don't have any external threat? You will never fight a war. And in Shaboga and everything, you can never defend that country against any other sovereign country. You can't. What's the sense in that? When Gambians are starving, 10,000 men and women, you're feeding them. That budget am na fu munoon a dem healthcare munoon na faa dem mun naa dem si education, and those the good young men and women in that armed forces could have been rehabilitated, reoriented, ñu dugal leen into this back to the communities ñu def seen war, rather than di leen fa teg di leen front to hired killers. Because if you train someone just to kill and defut anything just to sit there, kooku life am yëpp nga bëgg a bés bu mu génnee dem civil si lan la moo def. What is the offense here? Not absolutely, but it started with Dr. Cissé, but it's have not even started with Dr. Cissé. It's been growing, but right now dem nañ di jële academics, dem nañ di jële suñ scholars yi. Now kan mooy wax su nekkee ne Dr. Cissé lu mu wax noonu, imagine people like us then dem Gambia, what will happen? And the timing is interesting. The timing is interesting. Apparently, these people, they're trying to intimidate. Because of what? Barrow is taking a war footing. We're going to take a war footing with Gambians. And why? We'll touch on this a bit. I'm here to stay long, but we'll touch on this a bit. So started with these people, who is going to end with? Always, they start somewhere, and where does it end with? If you start arrested, what do you do next? You torture. If you torture, you will kill. Yes. moo tax ñu doon ne waaye rey amut suñ toogee dina fa humble la fa baax Gambia li I'll tell you ne that democracy suñ ko defee na dañ ko lose te ñu ko lose already. All the signs are there. Gis nañ the appointments, gis nañ every other thing. The man is doing as he wishes. The struggle have to continue. Barrow one in a sign some. Barrow have betrayed Halifa. You get the relationship he had with Halifa. You get the way he betrayed Halifa, and everybody stood and blamed Halifa. Barrow come out, mu betray my party, ko hamne mo nekon enforce in the cabinet and around. Everybody turned around and blamed my party. Mu taxaw buga betray OJ Jallow by buga indi a permanent secretary bo hamne. He's loyal to him. Who ko xamne du def liggéey bi do undermine Oye Jallow nekk mag mu bañ. Fu mu ne ni mu dem betray Ousainou Darboe undermine ko. Naka nga génne a permanent secretary in a coalition whilst def plot ko. But now muy dem for the scholars because xam na ni nekku di def lu baax. xam na ni nekkul def lu baax pare na foog nañ na mën a intimider nit ñi, but Barrow I'll tell you something, mënuloo intimidate kenn. Yaya Jammeh mënu fa intimidate nit ñi, people fought. From day one people fought. Te gis na fu mujjee. And I'll tell you it will not take us that long. It will not take us that long. And Gambians in dañ am pour open suñu boat. Barrow cannot be right all the time. Yaya Jammeh was not right from the beginning. Barrow was not right from doing the same thing what Yaya Jammeh did more right. Yes, he betrayed Halifa. He betrayed the youths of the Gambia. Remember the Kotu, the football field at Kotu. That journalist probably is still reporting for something say, still reporting at the police station. Open bail. Jill Field be just a friend of his, a presidential ambassador at large, Saul Fraser. Who betrayed the people of Kololi, the people of the environment in Serakula, for the dump side of Bakote. Because for 1 year, that was a concern. Let's how government as an initiative to make sure that is redressed. Address and nothing. He doesn't care. He doesn't care. For 1 year, the Chinese are polluting the environment in Gunjur, in Katong, in Sanyang. We are losing everything. We are not only losing our fish stock, we are losing our water table. We get polluting water, we get polluting soil. Our women are losing their gardening, every other thing. And then losing tourism because of the smell, the stench. Yep, we get them, they pollute the water, the sea water, everything else. For what reason? Mugi look the other way. Because of what? He is in a deal with the Chinese. And we'll tell you the deal. He betrayed almost everything. Almost everything. The whole agenda, the only agenda Barrow has is a Barrow agenda. Because Barrow have turned his parents' homestead into something else. And Barrow Rushut, Ragalut, Mune Ekon went to Africa, almost all the countries in Africa. Ekon gave to the people. Ekon came to Gambia, Ekon gave to Barrow. Barrow them jël flight to def ko kër yaayam at environment di kër yaayam mu ne lan. He didn't even go to the institutions, the hospitals, and to give it to them. How many clinics in the rural Gambia no need those lights, solar lights? Why mu jël ko pour yaayam and mu ne because of dama buga suma kër suma dëkk suma village. You have to get out of that mentality. You are the president of the Republic of Gambia, that represent whole of Gambia. The minute body may be built that position, danga am pour taxaw for Gambia. And the same thing, the Kuntawuru flood and the other floods every other place because of the outreach. We do diaspora and advocate for Kuntawuru. Mota guy turn up for they will not have turn up for Kuntawuru. Now, Senator Barrow ignored the urban area. Barrow ignored the rural area, but he have not ignored his homestead. Who have done that? Yaya Jammeh. Now, what is the problem? Why are we still quiet? Why am we outraged? But let's think of this. There is right now. Why are the Chinese doing what they're doing? Why is Barrow doing what he's doing? Because Barrow Pana and Trench Bopan. You give me a minute here. Barrow Pana and Trench Bopan and investigation on this. Because Barrow have gone to the Politburo in China. And Ahmad Ba went first to represent him when they came from Mecca. I have to open this a minute. A Chinese, the Australian the Australian exploration company with partnership with China and another company called Aaron. You get an exploration license, and the China in the case of Gambia ba tey benn musu ñoo dégg anywhere ne China ñu ngi am exploration license ñu ngi invest exploration in the Gambia te Gambia government waxuñ ko because of what? That's what Barrow is hiding, and that's what's motivating Barrow to stay in power. And as we said, nañ opposition body said Barrow, the only reason Barrow doesn't come and speak to the people because he's avoiding, because Hamna never have a hidden agenda. The only reason Barrow is not sitting on cabinet, make sure that I'm in cabinet decision because of a hidden agenda. Now it's up to Gambians and it's up to the political leaders and Gambian civil society now and hold that country back. You get all the political party leaders. What statement they're going to make about this? Because the manifesto, what top of it was human rights. The people's right was on top. Before anything else. That was the manifesto. And Dr. Cisse should be released now. Not have him arrested, but should Dr. Cisse stay for one night? I think the Gambians should do the right thing and show solidarity and go to the police station and demand Dr. Cisse to be released. And demand Dr. Cisse to be released. And political parties here, this is a test. If you don't turn up, when your political party leader is picked up, or your militants are picked up, you will expect solidarity. And Barrow Lumpare, there's already, I'll put this out there, unless there's an impending cabinet reshufflement, and in this cabinet reshufflement, unless what they're talking, their agreements are not holding, they are in the Barrow, not the government. Barrow is talking to individuals that are not part of the coalition. Barrow wants to bring a cabinet that doesn't reflect the coalition anymore. And don't be surprised to see other political party leaders who were not part of this coalition coming into cabinet because of in order to insulate himself against the UDP. Now Barrow is concentrated in dismantling the UDP and take the UDP base, and that's what all his motivations are. And this is an extension of that plot. Unless the agreement didn't hold. If the agreement holds, very soon Barrow is gonna propose a cabinet reshufflement, and we'll see political leaders, party leaders, and the Minister of Tourism is one of the cabinet positions been demanded by a political leader. But the decision is still going. But on a serious note, the two most serious things more here: the release of Dr. Cisse. And not only release Dr. Cisse, but we want answers. We demand to know the reason why Dr. Cisse was arrested. And we want this to stop. We want the big Gambians just like that in the streets. We live in a democracy. We have the freedom of speech and thought. Without anything. With limitation, of course, but without anything. And let us move away from the law said in 72 hours. Law says you must have a reason to suspect, Barrow committing a crime or is about to commit a crime. Tell them more like a reason to suspect. The circumstances, what are the circumstances here? A scholar of political science been invited for an interview. We just taught some. Then look at those thoughts. What is inciting all those thoughts for violence or of national security? What is inciting on those thoughts? Nothing, absolutely. Then why would any Gambian why the law be just not powers to the police for 72 hours? The law have given the armed forces to shoot and kill, but what circumstances? What circumstances? If you want to interpret the law, literally, what circumstances do a member of the armed forces have the right to shoot and kill? It's the same circumstances you have to look at when to arrest someone. And you taught me, interview nga ko. Why do you have to hold him for 72 hours? What do you have to investigate in the piece? What do you have to investigate? What do you want him to tell you? You want to intimidate him? Mota, we standing in solidarity, and we asking justices to be released, and not only released, but to let the government explain. Let the Inspector General of Police explain. We demand that no ordinary citizen should be arrested in this manner, especially a scholar. It's not that a scholar is better than us, but a scholar of from Tahoe. Since started to intimidate our scholars, scholars that freedom of thought, then how can they educate our kids? Since started they pick on scholars, where are they going to go next? It was a disgraceful Gambia you talk. This every Tom, Dick and Harry in the Gambia, scholars, religious leaders, everybody you pick the code of and it started again. It started this way. Because Amud Ben reason. Amud Ben reason. Atukul be Hollandko. Purne Ecomog is not a long-term solution. And Ecomog is not even it's part of the solution. But it's not an absolute solution to our security. Our security, absolute solution to our security is good governance, rule of law. So good governance, rule of law, so we are not governing right. Top rule of law. You get donor institutions from a dictator, none of reforms amut, not from the civil side, and especially the armed forces. We expect. And next minute,